Hello friends, Sasby App Landing WordPress theme is to promote mobile application or software product. Today we will learn the demo installation of it. Go to the appearance first, then theme, click on add new theme to upload. Now click on choose file and select the exact zip file. You will get it while you purchasing it. Now install it. After installation, click activate and it requires several plugins to install. Select all together and apply for installing. Now click return to required plugins installer and again select them to activate. Now return to the dashboard and go to the installed plugins. Find RT Demo Importer. Click on it. You are done with your installation. Choose any one and install it. Let's take a short break to look over this theme. This is the appearance of your demos. You will get all the features in an organized and disciplined way. This is how you can seamlessly complete your demo installation. Thank you.